which is now retired.
Kenya and Germany have entered a climate and development partnership, support Kenya in reaching 100% renewable energy supplies, and also support the country's adaptation to climate change. I'm glad that we will continue our support by providing financing for an upgrade of the turbines of Thirikari.
With Kenya sitting at 92% today of geothermal, and with a capacity, undeveloped capacity of about 9 gigawatts, we can walk the journey together towards the new frontier of green hydrogen, maybe green ammonia, green fertilizer, green jobs.
Government, he is here to witness the start of operating project of our iconic 280 megawatt geothermal project, whose current maximum output is 300 megawatts, which 10 years ago was the single largest geothermal power development happening at that time. This project will increase the two power plants from current 300 megawatts to 340 megawatts.